In this video, we're going to look at setting up basic quantum chemistry calculations using IQchem through the IQmol interface. IQmol is a molecular builder that allows you to build your molecule and do quick optimizations using classical dynamics. However, in order to get accurate energies or geometries, you need to do higher level calculations. These can be done by going to the calculation menu, selecting IQchem Setup, and now you have access to the full range of IQchem functionality. Although IQmol is fully open source, IQchem is not. And so with the free version of IQmol, you have access to the default IQchem server, which will allow you to do jobs up to about 10 minutes. When setting up quantum chemistry calculations, there are three key things that need to be set. First is the job type. So right now I have energy selected, but I could also look at things like the geometry or the frequencies of the molecule. Other videos will address different types of calculations. You also need to select the method. By default, Hartree-Fock or HF is the method selected. Generally, you would use either Hartree-Fock or B3-Lip for simple calculations. More advanced calculations can use any range of quantum chemistry methods, but be sure you know a little bit about what method you're trying to use before you just start using it. So the third thing that needs to be set is the basis set. The basis set is a set of known functions. Within IQchem, these are three-dimensional Gaussian functions that are used to approximate the unknown molecular orbitals. So again, I'm just going to leave this set as the default, which is 631G. For the time being, but depending on your application, you may need to use a different basis set. The key things that need to be set are in this top box on the left-hand side. The multiplicity and charge need to be adjusted if you need a different state of your molecule, so different pairings of electrons, or if you're going to look at ions, but otherwise they don't need to be changed. There are some more advanced options down below, which is in the SCF control and wave function analysis. Again, you generally won't need to change anything in these sections unless you know that you need something specific. Finally, there's the Advanced tab, and again, you shouldn't need to change anything here for basic calculations, but this does give you access to the full range of features within IQchem. So I'm going to go ahead and submit this job. It's just a simple energy calculation to the IQchem server. When I click submit, it will ask for a name. I'm going to go ahead and call this formaldehyde. And that's submitted. In order to see how your job is running, you can go to the job monitor. And here I did calculation earlier today, which finished, and then the most recent one I just ran is currently listed as queued. This should be a very quick calculation, so as soon as it runs, it will ask me if I want to copy the results and save it. So I do want to save my results, and so I'm going to go ahead and save those. Generally, you want to give the calculation a new folder and save it in that folder. When I hit select folder, it will save there. I'm saving it on my desktop in a file called formaldehyde. Once I save that, it will automatically open up that file, and you'll see there's a little star here which indicates that it now has the quantum chemistry calculation results in addition to the regular things I had before. So you'll see now I have some more information, and we will look in more detail at this in future videos.